Welcome to City Lit. You're part of a community you won't find elsewhere. We want you to feel safe and comfortable so that we can continue to improve and enrich lives through learning. All our sites are fully accessible and we offer a range of support and specialist help. It is important that you understand what to do in the unlikely event of an emergency. If the alarm sounds or you see a flashing beacon, or you are alerted by staff with alarms such as air horns or loud hailers, please follow instructions from your tutor and staff. Don't use the lift. Evacuate the building calmly and safely. If you are on the ground floor in classroom 2, then please use the fire escape located in the room to vacate the building. All other building users on the ground floor should use the main entrance in reception to leave the building. If you are on the lower ground floor when the alarm is activated, please leave the building immediately using the fire escape located to the right of the internal staircase. If you are unable to use the stairs or need help, please go to the refuge point and let your tutor know. From here we can help you to evacuate safely. A friend or carer may wait with you. We have a disabled persons evacuation strategy in place, which will aid the evacuation of disabled and mobility impaired people. Once fire marshals have confirmed that it is not a fire drill or a false alarm, they'll inform you of the options available and ask you to make your way from the refuge point to the bottom of the stairwell so they can begin your evacuation. Unless assistance is required, once outside, make your way to the assembly point at the cafe in the Kean Street site and stay with your tutor. You'll be told when it's safe to re-enter the building. Sometimes it's safer to stay within the building or classroom. For example, if there is a civil disturbance outside or a security incident. In these circumstances, please follow the instructions of your tutor or a staff member. For more information, look out for our information boards which can be found in all our classrooms. They contain useful information on fire, first aid, lost property and emergency numbers, as well as safeguarding. Just look for the Let's Talk signs. If you have any questions or concerns, or need our help in any way, please talk to your tutor or visit reception. For more information, visit the help pages on our website. We are here to help.